As you'll see here, the last few days have been absolutely miserable. I've been out 4 times, and I pretty much sat 20 to 30 minutes each stand. During this time, I probably made close to 30 blank stands over those 4 days. All of them pretty good stands, just did not produce any coyotes. I hunted private, I hunted public, and could not find coyotes to save my life. Between the full moon and the wind and the weather pattern, it just did not line up to where we were calling in coyotes consistently. So, in that situation, all you can do is keep making stands and grind, grind, grind. But stay tuned and you will see that we're actually able to get on the coyote and give you guys a little bit of action. Hey guys, just a reminder to please like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out a ton and helps YouTube find my videos so I can get more views and more likes and keep producing these videos. Thanks guys. Oh man. I'm gonna sit for a couple minutes and then I'll give you guys the rundown of what just happened. So I walked into this stand. I heard 2 coyotes howling over the ridge over here, and it's one of those stands where I didn't necessarily know if they saw me coming in or not. So I sat down. I just was really easy with the call, really nice and subtle, really soft, not too aggressive. And then I looked to the far ridge over here, back over here. Over there, I guess, and there was a coyote standing way off there, probably 3/4 mile away, and it was about 20 minutes into the set, so I was just about done, and I started just kind of messing with him and seeing if I couldn't turn him and get him aggressive and come my way. Wasn't even really paying attention, and I finally put down my binos and was like, well, shoot, I better get ready to pack up. And I caught a movement out of the corner of my eye, and a coyote sneaking out right down below me at 100 yards. And so I got the camera on just in time without it seeing me, and I wolfed it and shot. I wasn't zoomed in at all, so you might be able to see it drop a little bit, but finally broke my streak of bad luck. This is the 5th day out I've been, and I finally called something in. So at 25 minutes, I was a long cold stand. My toes are freezing, but I'm gonna go grab the collar and grab the coyote, and we're gonna go make another couple stands. That is a beautiful dog. Perfect shot. Got a lot of sewing to do. Look at that. Light white belly. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's an old female. Older dog than oldest dog I've shot this year, I'm pretty sure. Cool. Whew. Man, these dogs are hard to call in right now. So hard. I can't tell you guys how stoked I am with this coyote. It has been, this is the 5th day I've been out, and every day has been cold, windy. It's been a grind. Finally got some nice weather, got freed up, and was blessed with this beautiful coyote. So hopefully we can get a couple more on or in the truck today, but if not, I'm as happy as can be right now. So whew. It's a long ass stand though. Well, as it goes quite often, after that last stand, the next few were all blanks, so I decided to take a lunch and got a text from my buddy Jake. So, a little update right now. It's the afternoon, so it's kind of getting slow. After that second stand, I made 2 or 3 more. Didn't produce nothing. Then I got a text from a buddy. He said he wanted to come up, so I told him to haul ass, and he's on his way up. So I'm kind of taking a cookie break and hanging out kind of during the last, slow hour that we have here before these coyotes will start moving again, and relaxing a little bit. But that's what's going on. Hopefully we can get one more in the truck. Oh, freaking cookies. Love them. It's really cool. Just watching a little hawk or falcon or whatever just tearing into a small mouse. He's up on a highline wire and just ripping one apart. It's pretty cool to sit and watch. Predators are just cool. What? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, it was only one coyote, but that one coyote was huge for me. Like I said earlier in the video, it's been a grind. That was the 5th day out, and in those 5 days I'd only seen 2 other coyotes, so that just shows you how hard it's been lately, especially in the late November and late December time frame. So don't give up and keep grinding away, and eventually you'll start calling in coyotes again. But hey, if you guys like these videos, don't forget to like them and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. If you have any questions, comments, criticisms, or video ideas that you want to see me do, put them in the comments below. It gives me ideas. It really helps me out, especially with the algorithm and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and have a great season and be safe.